Mavele from programtom.com/dev here, and in this episode I'm gonna start integrating app links into the notification center application. And app linking is something that you will most probably implement in social media apps, in utility apps, for getting uh, into some subpage of some utility. And yeah, it is beyond just one category of the apps. It is useful thing for a lot of variety, like banking, social media, utilities. So I have here mm, the notification center base code. Not out of code is written so far. I have a main that has a go root with login, apps screen, and app details, where app details is with parameter the ID. So so far there is no actual logic implemented. The login screen, login with QR, just goes to apps list, and in apps list with details. To test details, just goes to details for app details. Needs get to be updated to get the app center centered. So I want to have apps that are public and apps that are private for some users. So someone could potentially share an app, subscription to hidden apps. So I want a link that goes to app details. It is another at another point I need to implement some uh, guarding against not authenticate case, but for now I want to implement the linking part. So the installation here is what are app links. Yeah, the software that I use for displaying the application is SCR CPE, and yeah, it is open source utility that you could download from GitHub, and it allows mirroring of the screen of your device. So this is installed, and the example shows basically there are two cases, and there could be some initial link when there are two cases. Either the application has already been started and the application needs to listen to a link coming in, or the app has not yet been started and it needs the first to go directly into the sub path. So I'll need to make the global the place where the router is initialized to make it listen to I'll make it stateful, and I need this, and yeah, I'll just copy this, links, data sync, and here is the init app links, open link, current state, navigation key needs to be set to the root. Okay, let's see. So basically, the router needs listener for incoming notifications. So let's see. Links go router. So I will need to follow the example of further deep links with go router. And I'll use the code from Code with Andrea. Here is the code, the description, the HTTPS. This is something that I will do just after I implement the router config is the router, and router has routes, and so in many cases the there is a decision if, yeah, here is build main screen, go route, redirect. Yeah, I think redirect is the thing that needs to be implemented to get the path going. So here it will come with some URL. Let's just print the state. So in the redirect, it must be child of the global provider for is logged in, and this is actually the guard implemented here, and I'll use this way of protecting the endpoints. But first let's see. Okay, redirect is if it is logged in. So basically, here there is a check here for the match location, and it will return either null or some path that Go router will take care. Yeah, that's first integrate all of the above so I could test. So here will be the magic. Here is the official documentation. And I need to follow the Android. So first I need to open the Android manifest. And have this meta inside the application. Next, in the main view, category main, launcher, Android verify, uplinking, deep link. So this is for getting from hyperlinks, from internet links. And the below one is yeah, I want to pin this path here. Okay. And also this or notification center Android host will be this one. Okay, nothing here yet. Okay, let's run the application with this modification to see if it will open. So I will paste this one. I will need to write this one on the phone, on the phone's browser. Okay, so fast it does not open, and one thing that I'll try is to stop the application and run it again. So it will execute the Gradle assemble again. So again it does not open, and it seems it needs this at this filters, info settings, open by default, app link. let's get to app info. This is notification center. Let's go to settings, notifications, notification center. Open by default. Verified links, universal links. So it seems it hasn't registered any links here. So I need to look deeper into app links and deep links. So here it has these two. Notification center. Yeah, I do not need the HTTP here. Okay, I have it as data property. Okay, the digital asset links JSON must be published on your website to indicate the Android apps that are associated with the website and verify apps URL intents. JSON file use the following fields to identify. Okay, so I need two. So I need the to get this fingerprint from the book, and after that for the release signing key, and I need to make such JSON and to be placed here. So I'll do that in the background. Or maybe I could skip this by making this, removing this for now. Yeah, as I'm changing the native part, it will need a rebuild. Yeah, let's get this at some later point when I have something more working. So here I have the app, and still nothing here. Let's just in case try it. Well, this still does not work. So Yeah, I will need to get this on my website.